Long, long ago there lived a king named King Nebuchadnezzar, and three men called Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They lived in a place called Babylon.
One day, the king decided to build a huge image made of gold that stood 90 feet high. To understand how tall this is, imagine 15 men all standing one on top of the other to make a tall tower. It sure was big.
King Nebuchadnezzar then made an announcement. People of all languages, when you hear the music, you must bow down and worship the statue, because I have said so. Whoever does not obey and worship the statue will immediately be thrown into the fiery furnace.
Then the music started, and everybody in Babylon bowed down, except for Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
When Nebuchadnezzar heard about the three men's refusal to bow down to the statue, he was furious. Just in case it was a mistake, he went to them and gave them a second chance. I order you to bow down before this statue. If you don't, I will throw you into the furnace and you will be burnt alive. Nebuchadnezzar, we do not need to defend ourselves before you. It is no mistake and we do not need to apologize. If you throw us in the fiery furnace, then the God we worship will rescue us.
Even if he doesn't, we want you to know that we will not serve or worship the false image of gold you have set up. Nebuchadnezzar was furious and ordered the furnace to be heated to 7 times hotter than usual.
He summoned his 3 strongest soldiers and ordered them to tie up the men. One by one, Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego were thrown into the fiery furnace. The furnace was so hot the soldiers fainted when they went to throw the men in the furnace.
Then the king looked into the furnace and saw 4 people inside.
Look, I see 4 men. They are unharmed and walking around. Come out, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God.
The 3 men came out of the furnace completely unharmed. Their clothes were still on, not a hair on their head was spot, and it didn't even smell like smoke.
Praise to your God for saving you from the fire. You defied my orders, but your God protected you. I will make a new law. May no one speak a word against the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, or they shall be put to death. The 3 men were promoted to the highest position in all of Babylon after his decree.
I think God is teaching me to be faithful. I think God is teaching me to trust in Him and not make idols, and to do what is right no matter what happens.